ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ڈاکٹر فیصل کا کہنا ہے کہ افغانستان میں بہت سے غیر ملکی عناصر متحرک ہیں جو پاکستان میں تخریب کاری کی کارروائیوں میں ملوث ہیں۔ ڈاکٹر فیصل نے مفکر پاکستان کو خراج عقیدت پیش کرتے ہوئے ہفتہ وار بریفنگ کا آغاز علامہ اقبال کا شعر پڑھ کر کیا۔ اسلام آباد میں ہفتہ وار بریفنگ میں ترجمان دفتر خارجہ ڈاکٹر فیصل کا کہنا تھا۔
اسی مناسبت سے وہ فرما گئے ہیں کہ کی محمد سے وفا تو نے تو ہم تیرے ہیں، یہ جہاں چیز ہے کیا لوح و قلم تیرے ہیں۔ The شہادت of Mr. نئیراقبال رانا, our diplomatic official in Jalalabad, Afghanistan, has come as a shock and left us all deeply saddened. Pakistan condemns this heinous attack and demands that the perpetrators of this act of violence be apprehended and brought to justice. On behalf of the people of Pakistan, the President, the Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister conveyed their deepest sympathies and condolences to the bereaved family. The President and NSA of Afghanistan have also called the Prime Minister and NSA of Pakistan to convey their condolences and to assure that the terrorist incident would be duly investigated and the perpetrators brought to justice. They have also conveyed that the government of Afghanistan would ensure the safety and security of all Pakistani nationals and diplomatic staff stationed in Afghanistan.
انٹرنیشنل فیڈریشن کے چیئرمین سے ہونے والی ملاقات کے بارے میں میڈیا کو آگاہ کرتے ہوئے ترجمان دفتر خارجہ نے کہا،
A dua was held today in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for the Shaheed, where his family was also present. Separately, on the foreign policy front, this week saw many incoming visits. The chairman of the State Duma Committee for International Affairs of the Russian Federation, Mr. Shutsky, called on the foreign minister. Both exchanged views on enhanced bilateral cooperation on political, economic and parliamentary spheres. A 4-member delegation of the European Parliament, led by MEP Mr. Peter van Dalen from the Netherlands, also called on the foreign minister, acknowledging Pakistan's contribution towards establishing peace and security in the region. The MEPs expressed their keen desire to work closely with Pakistan for the mutual benefit of the two sides.
یو کے منسٹر آف اسٹیٹ فار ایشیا کی وزیر خارجہ سے ملاقات میں یو کے منسٹر نے دو طرفہ امور پر اطمینان کا اظہار کیا۔ اس حوالے سے ترجمان کا کہنا تھا،
The UK Minister of State for Asia and Pacific, Mr. Mark Field, also called on the Foreign Minister, who welcomed the visiting Minister of State and expressed satisfaction at the positive trajectory of bilateral relations and the level of cooperation between the two countries. The Foreign Secretary led the 4th session of Pakistan-EU political dialogue held in Islamabad yesterday. The EU side was headed by Jean-Christophe Billiard, the Deputy Secretary General, European External Action Service. The two sides carried out in-depth review of the current status of Pakistan-EU relations and discussed ways and means to upgrade the existing level of cooperation. The EU delegation underscored the importance of EU's relations with Pakistan and the desire to further strengthen this relationship.
گزشتہ ہفتے مقبوضہ کشمیر میں بھارتی فوج کی جانب سے 7 نوجوانوں کی شہادت پر گفتگو کرتے ہوئے ڈاکٹر فیصل خان کا کہنا تھا،
The Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian occupation forces martyred 7 Kashmiri youth in the past week, including Muazzamuddin Chera and Wasim Ahmed in Pampore, Pulwama, Uri and Kupwara areas, and fatally injured over 24 defenseless Kashmiris through use of brute force. Bullets, tear gas shells and pallets on peaceful protesters. The illegal house arrest and detention of Sayyid Ali Gilani, Shabbir Shah, Masarat Alam Bhatt, Asyan Darabi and Famida Safi continue under the draconian Public Safety Act. On November 6, Kashmiris observed Jammu Martyrs' Day. to reaffirm their resolve to continue the struggle for their inalienable right to self-determination. The day is observed in remembrance of the first week of November in 1947, when Maharaja Hari Singh's forces, Indian Army and the hooligans brutally killed hundreds of thousands of Kashmiris in different parts of Jammu region while they were migrating to Pakistan.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
ये है खबर का जहां और आप देख रहे हैं TNN TV।